What's your bird's name?
Bud.
Bud, what's up, Bud? $1.8 mile crazy rockin' sushi run. Let's not run over any old people in their fucking wheelchairs and stuff. Wow, what is this? Crazy rockin' sushi's got a new setup. Holy cow. Wow, I guess they're smart. They figured out they can still sell food outdoors. Let's get our pickup. Wow, look at this great setup. They did a good job. Okay, good, thank you. I mean, that's a lot of time to hand me the bag that's sitting right there that says Carlos on it, buddy. Okay, this should be easy to find. 1028 and a quarter. 1028.25. Are we gonna take this order while we're doing this order? Not for $5. We don't do $5 orders right now. All right, 1028 and a quarter. Thanks, Carlos.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Coming in, we're being very selective, trying to find the good ones. We're not taking that Doordash. It looks like it's too long. And we're not taking this Uber. It's also too long. Hey, what do you got there? That's a pretty cool bike, man.
It's electric e-bike with that tire.
Oh, can I take a look at it? That's fucking cool as shit. Plus you have a bird in the back of your bike. That's very nice. How many miles distance can you get on this?
With my weight and everything, I'm gonna be like less than 20 miles.
Right on. The bird's talking to me. That's so fucking cool. How long have you had it for?
A year.
And it works good? It no problems?
I probably took the brakes going out a little faster because I brake a lot, you know?
Yeah, the brakes go out fast on these. What's your bird's name?
I really enjoyed the scooter. Bud.
Bud, what's up, Bud? That's fucking fantastic, man. Well, drive safely. It's good to meet you, bro. Take it easy, man. Okay, we picked up a $6.50 under 1 mile Mendocino Farms run. Let's go get it. All right, we picked up a California Chicken Cafe order too. They're both going to West Hollywood. Figure might as well take it. Hey, what's up, Ruben? Good to see you, buddy. I have for Uber, I know it's ready too, Allison B. Thanks, Ruben.
Buddy, man. Take care of yourself.
You too, bro. I'll see you next time.
I said I find it, love and love it.
Is this a joke? Oh, this is 102, right? Fuck. Hey, it's your Uber driver. I guess it's pretty obvious, but you are between 101 and 103. Your door's not labeled. I left your food right in front of your door, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Well, including that double, we got 4 deliveries done in 57 minutes. Pretty good. Only 8 miles. All right, we got this $6.50 Chipotle order, short range, and right after that we have a 0.9 mile $6 WeHo Thai order, so we're busy. Thank you.
Sit down. Be humble.
Sit down. Be humble. Sit down.
Hi guys. Oh no. Yeah, I got Brian S. Brian. You, that's right there. Beautiful. Thank you. Just tell me this handwriting doesn't look like you're 7 years old. It's cute. Hi, it's Ubereats. I'm here. Just waiting for this customer. He's taking some time. We have a Chipotle order immediately after this. The definition of sauntering. Hey, Brian. Thank you.
Sorry, no.
Oh, you got to be kidding me. No, it's okay. Should have taken it, man. You must be Brian. I almost gave it to the other guy. Thank you. First one I looked at. Thank you. It is your Doordash. I am here. I tried calling. Hey, it's your Doordash. I'm here. Damn, they're killing you, dude. This is not fair. Where's the fucking ramp? Why don't they have a ramp for you? This is bullshit. Yeah, I never. This is terrible.
And but this person orders a lot of water frequently.
Regular customer. Still though, I mean, there should be like a better way to get in. Eli, my brother. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Drive safe.
Enjoy. You too. Or have a good day. All right, now we got like a nice $8.50 carving board order.
Shoulders are closing over your explosion. Your name isn't real, but I don't care. The sign the lights and the fuse box is all set up.
How you doing? I'm hustling. I have Rebecca. I guess you know. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Oh, we missed the drop off on that one somehow, but she came out and got it. So look, the air quality out here is pretty fucking sick. You know, if you're not from California, I'm sure you're hearing about the fires and everything. And we've had like 10 days like this where every morning I wake up and I can smell smoke. To be honest with you, like I think I've said in previous videos, it doesn't really affect me. I woke up this morning definitely with like something of a headache. I was a little nauseous, but that could be, you know, from anything. I tend to have like allergy-like symptoms anyhow throughout the year, depending on the weather and the season. So it is what it is. Fucking California's on fire, but it will pass. It's actually slowed down quite a bit. I'm sitting down at Fatburger. I might move my way towards La Brea. It's like 1:47. We have worked for 2 hours, and I think we've done 8 deliveries. Still pretty good. Maybe here's a good all about the bread coming in alive. Let's see if it's any good. These orders have not, the all about the bread DoorDash has not been that good lately. See, this is what happens when the app is broken, kids. The app is now down. You see, I got the text, but I'm not getting the order. That means the app is down. All right, looks like we got an $8 under 2 mile all about the bread. It's a little too far east, but we're gonna take it because it's slow. On Julia, right? Yeah. All right, I'm here. All right, guys, thank you. Yeah, see you later. House drop off. Looks like the easy one. Thank you, enjoy. What's up? What's up, Xavier? I got Salina for DoorDash. Salina. There's actually a short wait for this order. Hey, I'm gonna come back. Well, you know, you're not. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna come back for this order. I'm gonna go do a 0.4 mile Melrose, a 0.4 mile Chipotle order, and then come back for this. Hi guys. I got David C. Oh, thank you. Good Chipotle. Yeah, I gotta take this order. It's only 0.2 miles away from the restaurant. I'll make an extra $6 while I'm waiting for the Chipotle, and they seem to be a little bit behind over there anyhow. Hey David. Pretty good, pretty good. Hustling. All right.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you, sir.
You too.
That was a real professional move. Now we're gonna go right back to California Chicken Cafe. We're only like 0.3 miles away. And that order will be ready to go, guaranteed. Beautiful, thank you.
Your destination is on the right.
In the industry, yeah, they know what I'm about, and I did get a test.
Because every single one of you motherfuckers impress me, and maybe that's a little bit.
It's okay. All right, we'll hit this Chipotle, and then we'll hit the next order. We're doing good. Hello? Hi, this is Doordash. So I'm 99% positive I'm leaving the food in the right place, right in front of your door. Does your place have a lot of greenery in front of it? Okay, I put it, that's all good. I'm sure I got it. Thank you very much. It's here.
1, 2. I never knew. Who would've knew? I never knew. Fuck with a store.
I've actually gotten a lot of orders for this place. I've never taken one before. The Potato Chip Deli. Cute little place. Hi.
Hi.
Is that for Frank G?
Yeah.
Was that yes or no? I couldn't tell what you said.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. It sounded like I said, yeah, I wasn't sure.
No, I say yeah.
It's a mask. You know, these masks are making life difficult for all of us.
It's okay.
Thank you. Whoa, look how these potato chips look freaking delicious. Wow. All right, take it easy.
How you too, bye-bye.
I have an Ubereats order for Frank. Is this 7861? Okay. Where's Frank? All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Get me on that.
Yeah, no, of course I got it. Thank you. Okay, I gotta admit, I did not feel great when this shift started. Like I said, I feel like the smoke might be getting to me. It's hard to tell. Let's see, 40 on DoorDash, 50 plus 5 tips, 55, and $95. We did $95 in 3.5 hours. That's a pretty good shift. Guys, I'm Yogi Steve. This is ESA, the Electric Scooter Academy. Videos about high-powered scooters. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you again.